Good morning, or in Turkey we would say Günaydın. So this is our hotel in Kusadasi, and today we're going to take you on a bit of a walking trip around the city. We were here first day yesterday, had a bit of a walk around, and so now we're going to repeat some of that walk and go to a new place as well. So we're on top of a small hill that's got pretty steep streets. Right, we're heading down in towards the touristy bit. We'll pick it back up there. So from this blue car barrier here, the street changes significantly. It gets a lot more touristy, a lot more nicely done up. So this Alibaba place here, that's where we had lunch yesterday. Got a chicken durum there, chicken wrap. Not the cheapest place to go. It was 200 Turkish lira there for one. That was very nice, but if you walk further down the street here to the port, we saw them for 140 or 150, and where we went outside of in the city last night to a cafe we found, the food there was just delicious and cheaper again, much better value. You're paying tourist boat prices in here, cruise boat prices, but hey, it's really nice in here. It's pleasant. You get a few people coming up to you and asking if you want to buy a watch or buy things, but they're not really pushy. This is very much the touristy area, all the tourist shops. Got some fancy shops. Quite a few marble sculptures around. We'll show you some down at the waterfront a little bit too. Now this is more like a bazaar. This is called the Old Town Bazaar. All looks the same once you're in here. Ah yeah, hang another left here and I think I'll be on the main street. Hello big dog. You friendly? Yeah? No? His tail's going. Bit wary about patting dogs sometimes, especially ones that are the size of a small horse. Right, we're just about down to the waterfront. Doesn't take very long. Just the one cruise boat in today. There were 4 here yesterday. So we came from down that way and we're going to walk to the right along that way. Yesterday we walked on that hill in the far distance here where there's this statue of Atatürk standing up above the Kusadasi sign. This is where these marble sculptures are. correction, 2 cruise boats. There was one hiding behind the other. I don't think you'll see it because it's so far away, but you might see the Kusadasi sign up there. I'm not chasing pigeons, honest. I'm trying to get them to the shade so that you can see those sculptures a bit better. A lot of rubbish on the shore here, but there are people picking it up, which is pretty cool. Ooh, we got a cat. It's a pity you can't smell things on YouTube. This is the local fish market. So this area is called the Grand Bazaar, which you'll see a lot of very touristy fancy shops. But it's not like I expected a bazaar to be. It's just here for the cruise ship passengers. Once you get around to this bit, then it's hard to see the sign on the hill. I think the best vantage point is actually out on the cruise ships. But we should be able to see in a minute up to the Atatürk statue that we walked to. Ah, yep, just down here. There he is, at the top of the hill in the middle of the screen now. Yeah, it's not a bad place to sit, enjoy the day. That might be as good a vantage angle as we can get on the sign. Anyway, we're heading out to Pigeon Island, which is where those walls are out there. Some of these boat trips are quite good value. It's only €5 or so. Sunset tour. Price is just a little bit too much for us, sorry. It's not a lot, but if you spend that everywhere you go, it's going to add up. So we don't do that. It's 20 New Zealand dollars, 10 euros. Do that everywhere, you know, you soon be out of money. And we wouldn't be travelling for 6 months if we did that everywhere. So we're going to walk around here and just have a look around the foreshore. Yeah, I think that price point might be just a little bit too high. That's why there were not big lines of people waiting there to go in. It's putting people off. A few old photos of how it used to look. Okay, so we're just heading back up towards the hotel. This is the street we took when we came off the ferry the other night. It turns very steep up here. The Grand Bazaar is to our left just now.
Hello, rich man.
Not rich man.
Okay, hello, rich lady, poor man.
That's more like it. Yeah, not a rich man. Well, I think probably compared to the people that live here, we are probably rich, let's be honest. But not rich enough to be spending our money on things we don't really need. Yes, this is where it gets steep. When you're carrying a backpack that's 9 kilos and a front pack that's about 6 kilos, it's rather hot. But today we're not carrying that, so I can't complain. Right, we're up to the flat of it. So left is to the hotel, and right we're going to show you something that's really steep. But we're not going up it. So that's the way we came down yesterday, from up on the hill. So from the ferry port to the hotel, it's probably only about 650 metres. It was really good. Nice and close. Perfect for a few nights. Hotel's just down where those pretty flowers are. Just show you some of the other streets next to the hotel. These are the ones we walked to check out the bus station yesterday and to get to the cafe we had dinner at. These buildings I think have been damaged and are not being repaired. Doesn't seem to be anyone living in these bits. And we're back.